everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video, as the title reads, is going to be about my July favorites, wherein I'll be showing you the products which I've been using for the month of July, which I've been liking for the month of July, and I'll give you the review, the product details, what the product does, how it is helpful for your skin, and everything related to the product. So if you want to know what my favorite products were for the month of July, please keep on watching this video till the end. Now guys, before we actually get on to the video, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Saili, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't yet followed me on Instagram, do follow me on Instagram. I'll link the handle somewhere on the screen and in the description box. So now, without any further delay, let's just start the video. So in today's video, I have included all the skincare and hair care products. This month I won't be actually including any of the makeup products, but from the next month I will try and include the makeup products which I have been using for a while or for the month of that particular month. The first product that I have for you guys is this Vitamin C Skin Lightening Gel from Blossom Couture. Now this is a product with SPF 30. So I have been using this product when I am especially indoors, especially from the quarantine that has been started now. It is very important that you use a sunscreen even when you're not stepping out, because sun rays are really harmful. It passes through the glass and it can still harm your skin even if you are just sitting near the window. Even if you have the slidings on, it can easily pass through the glass. So it is highly advisable that you use an SPF when you are indoors as well. And this is one product which I feel is great because it contains vitamin C and it also contains SPF 30. Other than that, it includes extracts of neroli oil, lemon, which helps to maintain our natural pH balance and promotes skin elasticity, while it also contains saffron infused water, which helps to treat the skin blemishes and leaves your skin lighter and lustrous all day. So this is one product which I feel is a must have for all of you guys, because it is a great moisturizer, it is a great vitamin C gel. Also, if you see the consistency of this product, I'll show you the consistency. It's a very light consistency, and it gets absorbed in your skin very quickly. You can see it's already absorbed in my skin, and it has also given me a nice lustrous shine to my skin. Talking about the pricing of the product, it retails for 350 rupees, and the quantity that you get for 350 rupees is 100 grams, which is really great. Considering the ingredients that it has, 350 rupees is really very affordable, and also the quantity is great. So one must have product from my side. The second product that I have is again from Blossom Couture. It's their skin toner for tightening and reviewing your skin. This is how the packaging looks like. Now this especially is for oily skin. Now my T-zone is really very oily, so I had bought this product for which is for oily skin. Now it claims that it helps to tighten your pores and it revives skin, and truly it does tighten your pores, because I have been using this product for quite some time now. This is my second bottle and I've already started using this as well. I've been using this for quite some time and I have seen visible results in my pores. The pore size have reduced drastically. My pores have literally shrinked, also giving me that natural glow. Now whenever you wash your face, the directions to use this product is you just need to spritz it all over your face and let it dry, and then apply your moisturizer. Now it retails for 115 rupees, and the quantity that you get for 115 is 100 ml again. I think 115 rupees for a 100 ml toner is really a great deal, because it is actually working on my skin. It has shown results to my skin, so it is a great product and again a must have from my side. So now the next product that I have is a Chamomile Roman Witch Hazel toning mist. This is from Indulgio, again a great product. I have been using this as well for a while now. Now this is a bit expensive. It retails for 300 rupees and the quantity that you get for 300 rupees is 50 ml, which is on the expensive side. But trust me guys, this is one toner which leaves my skin really very soft and it feels very smooth. My skin tone evens out whenever I use this toner. Now you might be wondering, why am I using two toners? One is from the Blossom Culture toner and the Hazel Mist toner. Now the reason that I use both of these is this particular toner is only for tightening your pores and reviewing your skin and giving that healthy glow to your skin, whereas this toner on the other hand helps to have that really smooth and blurry finish to your skin. It evens down your tone. Now especially if you are someone with textured skin, trust me guys, this is a great product because just when you spritz it on your face and let it sit on your face, it is going to even out the texture, giving you a very smooth blurry finish. Now this one product is something I especially use underneath my makeup because it also works as a primer because it gives an even finish to your skin. So a great product to use under any makeup. Now the next product I have is from Biotique. It's their Swiss Magic Dark Spot Corrector. Now guys, this has worked as magic to my skin. Now I did not actually buy this product. I got it free with a package, but this is such a great product guys. I'm not sure if they actually sell this product outside, or because I had got it with a package and I got it for free. But this product is such a miraculous product. I mean, I used to have dark spots on my skin, and ever since I've started using this product, it has magically reduced my dark spots and it has actually worked as a color corrector to my skin. Otherwise, I did not really face any allergies or any issues by using this product, but a great product for someone who has a lot of acne scars or pigmentation marks, and even it works for dark circles as well. Product from Biotique. I'm not sure if they actually sell this outside, but if they do, grab this product guys. This is one magical product I have come across in the last few months. Now that was my last product from my skincare range. The next product that I have is for our hair care, which is this Defrizz Smooth Leave-In Cream. Now this is again one of the best leave-in creams that I have come across. I have used tons of creams, serums, which has not really worked on my hair because my hair are really very frizzy naturally, and it has taken me a lot of efforts to actually work on my hair, or get my hair to normal looking, else my hair used to be like extremely frizzy. This one product has helped me a lot to get that non-frizzy hair. This particular range of products from Godrej Professional comes with quinoa extracts. Now I have used its shampoo as well, I've used its conditioner as well, but out of the shampoo and conditioner, I have been loving this product a lot, and it works really miraculously on my hair. Now the ingredients in this particular leave-in are really very basic. They have just mentioned their basic ingredients. They haven't mentioned all of them, but the best way to use this product is to use it on your damp hair. When your hair is wet, you just need to take off the excess water from your hair and later take 2 to 3 pumps of this product depending on your hair length, and just use this on the hair ends, not using you need not use it on your scalp because it's not really very great to use many products on your scalp. But this product especially is to be used to the ends of your hair, and it works really great. At least this has worked really great for me. Now guys, whatever products that I have been mentioning to you, always remember to do a patch test or to test the product before you're directly using it. Do not use any of the products directly on your face or on your hair. always always do a patch test. For skin, you can do a patch test behind your ears, and for hair, you can just grab a section of hair. You can just use one product 1 to 2 times, see if that product is working for you, and only then continue with the product. Now, skincare and hair care is really very subjective, guys. What is working well for me is not necessarily important that it will work for you as well. So I highly recommend all of you guys to do a patch test or try out any products first, and only then include them in your daily. Those are the products those are the products that I wanted to share with you guys. These were the products I have been trying out for quite some time now, and I have really seen visible results ever since I've started using this product. Now, if you have liked this video and if you have enjoyed watching my favorites, do comment down below, and also comment down below what other videos you would like to see, what other videos you would like me to do, and also what are the products you would like me to review on. I have bought a ton of products and I'll be doing a review sooner, but still I would really like to know what you guys want to see on my channel, and I will definitely work around those particular areas if those are my areas of interest. And now, if you have liked this video, guys, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram if you haven't yet followed me on Instagram. Until we meet in the next video, stay happy, stay healthy, and be beautiful. Bye bye.